one of the most highly urbanized cities in Central Visayas. The city of Mandaue, according to historians, is the merchant's paradise. The people of Mandaue have been keeping a long religious tradition called traslasyon. Traditionally practiced, it is the taking of the icons of the Santo Niño and the Lady Guadalupe to the National Shrine of Saint Joseph 2 days before the Sinulog Festival. It is one of the most awaited annual events in Cebu. But the people of Mandaue have taken the initiative to further deepen their faith to Saint Joseph, the city's patron saint. Thus, the creation of the Panagtagbo sa Mandaue Festival, a reenactment of the meeting of the Blessed Señor Santo Niño, Mother Mary, and Saint Joseph through dance and music. The festival will compete for the first time in the Pasigarbo sa Subo Festival of Festivals.